Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning to you all from wherever you are watching from. Today, I'll be dropping this strategy. I call it Simplify Powerful Trading Strategy. I will be sharing this strategy with you guys today. There are some points I want to drop about trading. There are some psychological explanations about trading that you guys need to understand. Trading is purely technical. It's technical and psychological. And a matter of seconds, if you really know what you're doing in trading, you can make it big. You can really make it big if really you know what you're doing in trading. You can have all the strategies in this world, but still, to execute a positive trade will still be difficult for you. But if you know in and out your support, your resistance, and consolidation, if you put all those things in check, then you're good to go. If you take a look at my main chart, take a look at my main chart, you see all those trend line that I always make there before trading. So before I trade, I always apply my trend line analysis despite my technical indicators are there. I can never trade without I apply my trend line analysis. It helps big time. It helps you in knowing the direction of the trend, and it also helps you to know when there's a breakout or if the market is still trending in that direction. It will let you know when the price retraces. So trend line analysis is one thing that can never be that can never be excluded in trading. So without wasting time, let's head over to the indicator list. That's the let's head over to here. Okay. In our main chart, we have okay. Let's start with the first one. We have our parabolic star. Okay, that's the 0.02, 0.2. Okay, we have our moving average. Moving average. We have our moving average. That's the period is 20. The shift 0. Method simple. Apply to high. Color, the style 4 pixel and the color blue. You can choose the color of your choice. Okay, you go back. The next moving average. The next moving average, still the same period. Period 20, shift 0. Method simple. Apply to low. Style 4 pixel and color red. You can choose the color of your choice. And the next one is fractal. These are fractals. Okay. So in our indicator window 1, we have our relative strength index. Okay, you can see the parameters. Period 1, apply to close. Style 1 pixel. Like these are the parameters. You put the settings, put them exactly the way you see them. Okay. And the next is Ichimoku. Okay. Can you see that? We have taking sen 5, Kinjun sen 2, and simple span 52 with fill the ticket. So you put all those colors, you put them the way they are, or you choose the color of your choice. So in our indicator window 2, we have our average directional movement index. Open it up. These are the parameters. The period is 14. The style, choose the color of your choice. So you take a look at the level. Can you see the level is we have a 15 here. Choose the color of your choice. And in our indicator window 3, we have our MACD. The fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, and the MACD SMA is 9. You choose the color of your choice. That's it. So these are the indicators. These are your main charts. So let's take off these trend lines. We'll take them off so that I can explain better how it works, how the strategy works. Now take a look. This is a 15 minutes time frame. It works on 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, or even higher time frame. With this strategy, you can always milk the market. It tells you when it's buying and when it is selling. It tells you when it is buying and when the market is trending upward and when the market is trending downward. So even it can show you when the market is consolidating. So if you can pay good attention, be attentive, and follow the instruction. So how does this strategy work? Now take a look. Let's assume you made the market when it's at this level. Okay, what do? You patiently wait. Now, first look at the first thing you do. Look at the first thing you do from uh, from our indicator window 1. Take a look, guys. Once this our black line, the black line, when it hits the 95 90 level, what do you do? Take a look. What do you do? The next thing is you be attentive. In our main chart, once the price closes below closes below the 20 moving average. Can you see? Once it closes below the 20 moving average, and already our Ichimoku is giving us signal from here. Can you see? Has already given us signal that is about to sell. Sell is initiating. The sell process is initiating. Can you see that? You patiently wait for the price to close below the 20 moving average. Can you see that? Can you see that? And already take a look at your parabolic coming from the top. Can you see that? Coming from the top, coming downward. Can you see that? Coming from the top. That's your parabolic giving you that signal. So if and now in our indicator window 2, you guys can I've always been using this ADS in my analysis. Now the black line here shows the momentum of the trend. It shows how strong the trend is. So whenever the black line, which I explained to you guys that is the moment, it shows the momentum of the trend. Once it's above the 15 level, it shows that the strength of the trend is strong. That means it will trend very well. If it's selling, it will sell very well. Okay, can you see it's above? And now take a look at this cross. The red crossed over it crossed over the green line. It crossed over the green line and it is above the 15 level. Can you see that? And the green line went below 15 level. So both the red line and the black line remains above the 15 level. Now let's give that a trace with our cursor. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? Can you see? Take. Okay. And they both crossed here. And the MACD started coming down. Can you see that? And since then, the market sold massively. The market came down massively. Can you see that, guys? It's still coming down. Can you see that? So normally, what I usually do for me to add or for me to I apply my trend line analysis. I take it from here to here. Okay, I make sure that it's aligned and there's it at least my trend line gives me a breakout strategy. It gives me a breakout that there's a breakout. Can you see that, guys? Let me bold the let me bold it. You guys can see very well. Okay, can you see that, guys? Can you see? It broke out right from this point. It broke out here. It broke out. So I patiently waited for the price to close below the 20 moving average. And can you see that, guys? Can you see that the black line came out from the cloud? It came out from the cloud. Once the black line comes out from the cloud, and your ADX is also giving you the sell signal, and the MACD is coming down. The histogram is coming down. It crossed below the zero level. Can you see that? You take your sell, you take your position. It's simple as that. You take your position. Now take a look. Take a look, guys. It came down. The market dropped massively. It dropped massively. You can use this strategy on both 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, depending on the one you prefer. Now, let's backtest it. Now, take a look. Take a look at what happened here. Can you see? Now, take a look. The market was consolidating at this point. Can you see? Can you see? Even your indicator window 1 has no direction. Can you see? You didn't even touch the. Even if you now take a look. Take a look, guys. Now, this crossed above. Before you start analyzing it, you first of all take a look at your indicator window 1. You see, we expect this black line in our indicator window 1 to touch this level. But once it did not touch this level, overlook it. Overlook it. So what do we do? Okay, now take a look at this place. Like I said to you, okay. Can you see that? Now take a look. Can you see? From this point, it touches the 90 and 95 level, 90, 95, 85 level. It touches there, and in our indicator, in our main chart, it closes. Can you see? It closes below the 20 moving average. Can you see that? It closes. It closes there. Can you see? Can you see, guys? And the black line came out from the cloud. Can you see? It came out from the cloud. And what happened here? And what happened here? In our ADX, in our indicator window 2, we had a crossover. The red crossed the green. And our black line, which shows the momentum, remained above the 15 level. And it came down. It sold. It sold. It came down. The market came down. Can you see? And the MACD, can you see? Coming down. The histogram is, they're all coming down. Can you see that? It sold massively. Like I tell you guys, I normally use my trend line to confirm the breakouts. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? First of all, what did we do? We confirm that in our indicator window 1, it touches the 95, 90, 85 level. It touches there. Can you see? And we wait. It will go back to our main chart. Our price closes. It closes below the 20 level, 20 moving average. It closes. And now take a look at our parabolic SAR. Can you see? They are right there, showing you, giving you the signal. I'm pointing out the steps you need to take. Either you want to, whenever you want to buy or you sell, how to identify your position. How to identify your position. Let me take it again. First of all, if you want to buy or sell, in this scenario now, I'm explaining to you guys how to sell, how to identify a good trend. First of all, first of all, you go to your indicator window 1. Make sure that this black line touches the 95, 90, 85 level. Can you see? Can you see that? And now take a look at this line. Take a look at this line. This line, the black line in our indicator window 1, comes out from the cloud. Can you see that? Comes out from that cloud. You go over to your main chart and make sure that the price closes below the 20 moving average. You head down to your indicator window 1. There is a cross here telling you that the market is selling. So we check the momentum of the trend. You can see that the black line is above the 15 level and the MACD is going down. You take yourself. Even our trend line analysis shows that is a breakout there. And what happened? The market sold. It sold. It sold. Now take a look. Let me show you guys to the trend line that I always use. You guys have to start applying your trend line always. It tells you when the market is going up on and when it's coming down. Now we'll make our trend line from here, from this point to this point. Okay, we'll align it. Okay, can you see that, guys? Can you see that? Okay, can you see what I did? Can you see what I did, guys? I joined this point. Can you see this point? It touches here. Okay, and what happened when there's a breakout? Can you see? Can you see that, guys? Now take a look. Let me show you guys. Now from this point there, can you see in our indicator window 1, our Ichimoku touches the 15 10 5 level. It touches that level. It touches it, and you come over to your main chart. Can you see the price closes above the moving average? Can you see that? And there's a crossover here. There's a crossover there. The green is above the red, and our momentum is there above the 15 level. And what happened? And look at our MACD is going up. And what happened afterward? It went up. It bought. Can you see that? It bought. So even our trend line confirms that there's a breakout. So that's how it was. Now take a look again. Let's go again. Now take a look at this place. Take a look at this place. Good. This is a perfect example. Now take a look. In our indicator, we also identify trend, identify this buy position. Now take a look. It touches this level at the 15 510 level. It touches it. Okay, and we wait patiently, and it touches it. We wait patiently for there to be a close above the moving average. Okay, now take a look at our ADX. Now can you see the green crossed above the red, and our momentum is above, which is the black line, is above the 15 level, telling you to buy, and the MACD is going up. Can you see that? Can you see that? It bought. And what happened afterward? It went up. Can you see, guys? Wow. This is a lot of money to be made. Wow. This is $1 million strategy that people will never share with you, but I'm always bringing these strategies to you guys for free of charge. I want you guys to like my videos and comment. It will encourage me to bring more strategies to you guys at your doorstep. This strategy will help you to make, at least you can see the results of the trades I'm always making. Even with little amount of money, you can always make it big. I want you guys to like my video, share and comment. It will encourage me to always bring powerful trading strategy that will change your trading history. It even, if you look back, you understand that yes, there's a change in your trading, in your trading history. I'm telling you the truth. I want you guys to like, share, and comment on my video. It will really help me a lot to keep bringing these wow wonderful strategies to you guys. Now let's go again. Let's continue analysis. Let's continue our analysis. Now take a look. Now it touches this level. Can you see that? And it will wait patiently. It touches this level. We wait patiently for there to be a close above the moving average. Can you see? Now look at once there's a close above the moving average, we head over to our ADX. Can you see? There's a crossover there. The MACD is going up. It's going up. And what happened? It bought. It bought. Can you see? Though it's a short buy, but it bought. At least this will give you some money. And guys, there's another thing I want to explain to you guys. You guys don't have to be greedy. Once you make, at least for a start, once you make enough money, there's nothing like enough money, but once you make good money, let's not be greedy here. You safeguard your profit. You always make use of take profit, or once you see the market retracing, there are times you make profits, and due to the reason that you want more, the market will take it back from you. It does not make any sense. You can grow your account gradually from one point to the other, from one point to the other. And we know that I know that we are taking risks in the market, but let's minimize our risk. It will really help to build our account. You understand, guys? Okay, let's continue. Now take a look here. Take a look here. Can you see? It touches in an indicator in the one. It touches the 90-95 level, and we wait patiently for there to be a close. Can you see that? There's a close below the moving average. We head over to our ADX. What happened there? There's a crossover and the momentum is strong, and the MACD is coming down, and it sold. It's simple as this. Even if you use your trend line, even if you use your trend line here, it still gives you the breakout that you need. Can you see? It gave you that breakout. Can you see? Take a look. Can you see? It gave you that breakout. Can you see that? It sold. It came down. It's simple as this. You whether uptrend or downtrend, you can always hit it back front anyway. Anyway. Can you see that? Now take a look again. Let's continue. Okay. This strategy is mad. It's really, really crazy. This is a crazy strategy. This is a strategy that people will tell you to bring money for them to show you. But if I'm making something out of this strategy, what do I need the money for? I can always make the money from the market rather than taking from you guys. So I'm always bringing to you guys strategies that will help you build your life, that will put money in your pocket rather than me taking it from your pocket. So guys, I want you to try out this strategy, guys. Try it out and tell me and give me your results. I want you guys to testify if this strategy is really putting money in your pocket. I want you to come back and comment. It will really encourage me to do more. Even in other pairs, it will work massively. Let's check this volatility 10. Now take a look. Can you see what I did here? Look at the trend line that I did here. And I caught this market. I've been milking. Even in my history, if you take a look at my history, okay, now take a look. I funded it was even $5 that I funded, but okay, I funded $10, and since then, it's just yesterday. Take a look at my now. Take a look at the last trade that I placed. Can you see? Okay, I withdrew another $25. I made withdrawal $25. Can you see? Yesterday was 14th. Okay, Abby. Yesterday was 14th. When did I fund this account? When? That was on. I funded $5. That was on 13th. So from 13th, today's date is what? To 15th. Just 2 days. 2 days. I turned the $10 to. I still have balance in my account. Almost $100. Wow. With this strategy, guys, can you see? He's mad. The strategy is crazy. Just 2 days. Imagine I use a higher lot size, or I wasn't even paying full attention. I was just in, out, because I was busy with other things. So, if I devote 24 hours on this strategy, imagine the amount of money I can be making. So, to prove to you guys that this is really working, just 2 days, I turned $10 to almost $100. You guys can do it. I'm encouraging you guys to look into this. Try it. Put away fear. Put away anything fear and follow my instruction. I want you guys to try it out. Come back and give me your result. Tell me if if it really worked out for you. This is massive, guys. Always making withdrawal. I can even in a day can you see withdraw another withdrawal? I keep on making withdrawal. Always. This is another one, 25. So as I'm making it, I'm not leaving it there, because if you leave it there, anything can happen. The broker might try to manipulate the market or take it back from you, or you can even overtrade. And once you overtrade, you might miss it and lose your money. So as I'm making it and withdrawing, Take a look, almost $100, just 2 days. Try it out, guys. Now take a look here. This is another one. And you see, it touches this level and closed in our main chart. It closed below. And now take a look at the MACD, our ADS, the crossover, and the MACD is coming down. And what happened? It sold. Wow. Take a look here too. It touches this level and closed above. MACD crossed over. Sorry, the ADS crossed over, and the MACD is going up. And what happened? It bought. It bought. It's simple as that. And you see that you have a lot to benefit from this strategy. Try it out, guys. I love you guys, and I need your encouragement on this channel, guys. I want you guys to always come back for more more educative, powerful videos. Thanks, guys, and good luck.